back in action. We're back in the action, boys. And we also got Ian. Haven't seen Ian in like, what?
It's been a while.
6 months.
I learned how to go upstairs and get laid in 6 months.
It's that long? Really?
Boys, I asked you guys on Instagram the other day, what do you want to see? You know, I've been gone from YouTube for a minute. The boy just got hitched, as I said last video, and you guys keep saying jewelry, and I'm like, come on, man. Like, what about like STRIP club reviews or something like that? And everyone's like, no, don't do that. You'll get canceled.
Haven't you already been?
No, chill. They don't know about that. We're not canceled yet, boys. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Quick giveaway. We actually are getting back to this. I'm standing on my tiptoes right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that tall. I don't know why I did it, dude. You just gave me a little, what are those called? A Red Bull and a what? A Red Bull and rum or something.
Yeah, definitely alcohol.
Okay. I don't know if I could say that on a video that I'm making for a company, actually.
You can say whatever you want.
You think so?
Your NameBran.
Anyway, boys, we're giving away a free jewelry mystery box of jewelry I've unboxed in the past. Just mystery. Thumbs up, comment down below, let you guys know that. And thank you for sticking around when I've been gone for like a month, bro. This is sick. Ian, send him off to the next clip. See something sexy or something.
Next clip, boys.
For fuck's sake, what am I paying you for?
You're
not paying him at all. Just boyfriend, you know?
But
don't tell my girl. Hey, what's this?
you didn't tell me. But Jesus, okay.
Fuck, that's in my way, man. Sorry.
Well, that's a hole to drive
Yeah,
off.
this room's a goddamn. Oh, it did scrap. Frick. Anyway, boys, videos brought to you by Harlem Bling. Alright, we've done videos on them in the past. We never do any. Do you ever really see me doing sponsorship?
Not really.
Not really, huh? Yeah, so Harlem Bling's dope. We've done 2 videos with them in the past, and obviously I'm down again because I will say one of the best, in my opinion. Anyway, Harlem Bling coming up. Now, this is already unboxed, boys. Actually, here's a little screen. This is what they sell. It's really cool, bro. It's really cool. There's links down below, obviously, to Instagram, Twitter, their YouTube page. And, yeah, what am I saying right now, bro? I'm all up. You also see this desk, bro. I got things everywhere. I'm trying to figure out what's from them.
It's a nightmare.
It's not that bad, no?
It's pretty bad.
Alright. Don't let the door hit you in the vagina on the way out, Ian. Get out of here. No, don't. No, Ian, I need you.
Oh my God, I just...
That was a glass. It's broken. It's fine. It's fine.
You can't move in here, boys.
Alright, boys, anyway, Harlem Bling, links down below. Unboxed it already because I really didn't know who it was from. I haven't looked at anything, I promise you that. First thing from Harlem Bling, and then we're gonna get into an actual Moissanite piece, apparently, which is super sick, especially for the price, you know what I mean? Yeah. We brought Ian in here because he actually knows how to use a scale. This is dope, bro. It says Harlem Bling on it. It's actually like a custom Harlem Bling. Where's the diamond? Yeah, this right here. Harlem Bling. They got everything branded, bro. You can unbox this one. Weigh your things on it. I don't know how to use these things, so that's why Ian's here.
Come on, I've seen you weigh plenty of things.
Don't say that on YouTube, Ian. Alright, well, really cool scale. Honestly, boys, what we're unboxing today does not need to be weighed, I don't think, but nice little scale to weigh your gold, whatever you may have. This is what we're getting into real quick, boys. Also, NameBran Fan, link is not down below, but NameBranFan.com, you know? Harlem Bling. Oh, let's go! The branding on the box, Ian, what do we think first off? So obviously you can see it's by this, either a watch or a... like, I don't know, a chain or something.
Yeah, I would guess watch.
So this is fully Moissanite. I talked to the guy before, knew what came after I didn't know what came, and I unboxed it. Boys, fully Moissanite. This thing right here is not gonna run you too much for Moissanite, boys. Meaning it's like actually quite cheap. But we gotta see the quality. You guys know, even if this video is brought to you by somebody, we don't give a F, bro. I might just never work with them again if it sucks. Only honest reviews, that's why you're here.
Okay.
You've got no attachments. Ian, we shall open. Oh, okay, it is. Yeah, it is the watch for sure. I was second guessing it for a second.
Yeah, she's a watch.
Oh my lord, actually. There's the box, Harlem Bling, boys. That's Moissanite. That's what's crazy. You send me one of those and it's not Moissanite, I'm not impressed. You know what I mean? Hold on, let me focus right here.
Nope.
She's sagging off the block, huh?
Yeah, saggy.
Damn, look at that, bro. Yeah, you try to send me one of these, bro, and it's not Moissanite. Y'all seen that, but this thing apparently passes a diamond tester, We're gonna check that out. Can I see this? See, I've definitely seen this online. It looks almost like AP-esque. Bro, this is crazy.
Yeah, it's actually...
Oh, it's freaking, what is that called?
Whoa.
The thing at the back. Sorry, I'm spitting. What is this thing called at the back?
Oh, it's like that,
automatic
yeah.
movement, bro.
Yeah.
This thing's automatic movement. Oh, which you could see by the freaking swinging like second hand here. Oh my land. We just struck gold here. I'm gonna wear this today, I guarantee you. Boys, this is how it looks. This online, I think if I remember, it runs you about $1,000, which is crazy. You see I don't know if I can put other brands in this video, their names. You see some people with diamond stuff, they're charging a little bit more and it's not Moissanite. I'll just put it that way. Ian, you gotta duck your head for a second, dude. It's focused on you. Look at the mute, boys. Absolute gem all the way around. And the thing I really like here is it just says HB right there, not Harlem Bling. It doesn't look like super like in your face or trying to brand it. This thing's dope, bro. I'm actually stoked. Boys, it's good to be back reviewing things that are things, you know? Just reviewing items that make us look cool. Back right there, boys. This is actually what you're gonna focus on right here. If you're
Whoa, whoa.
I choked the camera, bro. This is bad.
Wow. That's some aggression
yeah,
there.
I know. That's actually not good. I've got to work on that. Anyway, right there, you see that. That's what's like moving the thing, bro. As far as I am aware, that's not battery powered, eh? It's
No,
like movement powered?
no, that's, yeah.
That's sweet. This is
Yeah,
why
it's
he's in
the
here. I don't know
automatic
anything, boys. We're gonna diamond test it and let you guys piss off, you know? It's freaking Thursday, almost Friday. Take the day off tomorrow. Tell them, go F yourselves over at the workplace you're at, you know? And just take a 3-day weekend. Every day is a weekend for us, eh? Yeah?
Every day is a weekend, every day is a weekday.
Living with me, boys, yeah, you got no time
Time does
off.
not matter.
Yeah. All right, we're just letting this heat up real quick. Harlem Bling, honestly. I really, like, jokes aside, actually, stainless steel, yep. I'm impressed, bro. Are
No
you?
wrong with the state. Yeah, it looks really good, actually.
Right? So
Like-
we're gonna prong it up right here, boys. Man, I'm a little shaky for this, but... Let's go!
Whoa!
Let's go! Sorry. That's always good, because we got a sick title if it passes. Also, it's good, because they're not lying, but title comes first, boys.
Man, there was almost an avalanche of crap falling off this table.
There's another one, Ian. Can you toss that? It's the strap part. Show it up to the boys, or else they apparently don't believe it.
Alright. There you go.
Harlem Bling for the damn win, bro. I wouldn't just freaking promote a company per se without it actually being dope as all hell. You guys let me know. Nice to be back. New video tomorrow, the next day. Actually, no. Tomorrow's Beer Fest. We'll not be here unless you want crazy brand all naked and shit. Can't even say that on YouTube anymore. Bye. Second thoughts, boys. Just looking at the clasp of this too is really nice when you have this little thing right here that kind of like clasps down on that. And that's what really keeps it sturdy on your wrist, boys. Sorry, Ian's out of here already. I just noticed that. I was too stoked to give you the massive details, but there she really is, boys. Got the white gold, the yellow gold, silver gold, whatever you want to do. It looks dope, man. Peace. Ian, give me a beer!